AI tools come handy in four major ways. It increases productivity, reduces the time taken to complete the work, makes you more efficient, and as well reduces costs. And guess what? The AI tools that we're going to be reviewing in this video guarantees all of those four, and even better, it brings all the tools that are required to create, edit, and scale content for your personal purpose or for business purpose in one platform. Are you excited already? Let's jump right into the video. Something you must know about the AI tool we are reviewing today is that it hosts one platform that can be used for vast majority of design purpose. I'm talking about whether you are making logos, or whether you are creating voiceovers, or whether you are creating mock-ups, or even editing videos, and also for writing a lot of things just in one AI tools. And guess what? These are actually the type of AI tools that are usually my favorite, because I don't want to have AI tools for different purposes when I can have one platform that houses everything I would want to do. Now, the name of this AI tool is called Designs.ai, and we're going to be looking at how to use it on your smartphone and as well on your laptop. Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Frederick and this is FNI SBC. If this is your first time watching, do make sure to join our community by hitting the subscribe button down below. And if you're a returning viewer or even a first timer, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below so that the algorithm can share this video with more people. For the laptop, once you go to Designs.ai, on whichever browser you're using, you're going to say create videos, banners, mock-up, logos with AI in 2 minutes. All right, so this is how it's going to look like on the home page. All right, so you can create your logos and everything in 2 minutes. All right, it says here that it's an integrated agency as a service platform that uses AI technology to allow users to create, edit, and scale content. All right, and you can see the logo maker, you can see the video maker, you can see the speech maker, you can see the design maker, and you can see the AI writer. All right, just in case ChatGPT disappoints you, then you can just jump over to Designs.ai. Now we're going to look at how it works. All right, you can also try this app for free. Even is a freemium AI tool. All right, you can try it for free, and when you feel like it's quite awesome for you, then we can go over to the pricing, and you can see that you can get the basic for as low as $19 per month. All right, but again, you can first try it out for free and see if it's going to match all the purpose you are requiring to use it for. When you have already signed up on Designs.ai, I'm using my smartphone right now. Okay, you're going to see on the welcome page, you can see the AI writer, you can see the image to test. Okay, you can craft captivating captions for your image, so you can just upload your image and then the AI is going to generate a caption for you. A lot of people actually have this as a problem when they are trying to update their social media pages. All right, they have a graphic, they have a video, they have the content, but they do not know the caption to use. So this AI tool solves that problem for you. You can see the logo maker as well, you can see the video maker, you can also see the design maker. All right, and you can see the speech maker, you can see the graphics maker, you can see the color matcher, you can see the font pairer, and social calendar. So social calendar is quite awesome. It's used to create your social media content calendar. So this AI tool helps to get that done for you in a very short while. All right, we're going to try as much as possible to review all of these AI tools in a short time. All right, so now let's begin with the social calendar, as is still what we are looking at right here. Remember, just as it is on your smartphone, that same way it is on your laptop. So whichever one you have, you can get started with it. All right, now the first thing you can see is learn about the day social media marketing calendar. All right, so this is for January, February, March. So let's go over to December. It literally gives you ideas on what to do for every day of December, right? So that you can also use it to, create your content. Let's take for instance that we want to create graphics for or create content for 1st of December. All right, so we're going to tap on it. Okay, and then when you scroll up, you're going to see start design now. All right, now it is taking us over to the design maker where we are going to create a design that commemorates that day. For instance, I want to commemorate World AIDS Day. All right, I'm going to tap on that date. Okay, and then I'm going to tap on start design now. All of these are all images concerning or graphics concerning AIDS awareness. So the other tools under Designs.ai is the AI writer. Okay, so I'm back on my smartphone again. Over here you can see all templates. Okay, then the social media summarizer, presentation outline, press release, blog writing, SEO, email, market research, human resource, audio, even sales. All right, whatever template that you want. All right, but we selected all templates. Right now we are going to come up here and we are going to type whatever we want it to. Okay, write an offer letter. So we are going to say write a video script to review an AI tool called Designs.ai. You can see set tone. All right, when I tap on tone, you can see cheerful, assertive, friendly, informative. So I think I can tap on informative and then the language that you're going to use. All right, video script is out. All right, so it said opening shot, a professional looking individual sitting at the desk with a computer screen displaying the Design.ai logo. Host, welcome back to our technology review series. Today we have an exciting AI tool to share with you. All right, so it cuts, continues. I love how easy it is to experiment, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is the tool. All right, this is the video script that I asked for. Isn't this amazing? Now we're going to check out other AI tools that are all inside the Design.ai platform. So the next one is image to test. All right, so I'm going to tap on this one. Let's see how it works. I'm going to be required to upload an image caption for this image. All right, this image right here. There are still plenty other AI tools that are here. When we get on the graphics maker, I say free color editable illustrations to elevate your visual communication. All right, let's just write smartphone. Great, so you can see a lot of vectors that we can use for our designs. Okay, and you can also edit them into different colors. All right, so we can save it as PNG and as well as SVG. Now when we get back to the tools, we can see the font bearer where you can generate stunning font combinations with AI. All right, font bearer. A lot of people actually have this mistake, especially people that do not know design, which font goes with the other one or which font goes with that one. All right, so you can see that the headline can be Cool Farm Extra Bold, Cool Farm Semi Bold, and the rest of them. All right, in the video maker, we are over here at the video making tool or feature of Designs.ai. All right, you can see the create new video. So now when you tap on it, you can see the AI video editor. All right, now I can actually bring in my own video and edit it, but there's a beautiful thing I love about this tool, and that is the text to video feature. All right, now I can simply type, give your video titles. Let's just say product review. Next thing it says type your script. It's a pick and end screen message. So let's just say thanks for, okay, let's just say subscribe now. So if you're yet to subscribe to this video and this AI tool is really fascinating you so far, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button as well, and as well subscribe to get more videos like this. All right, so over here it says type your text color. Okay, so depending on the brand, so let's just use yellow or orange yellow. All right, so next I'm going to tap here. It says select the industry, let's say business and marketing. All right, and tap next. English. So the voice, let's use a female voice. All right, yes, let's use Hallie. Let's hear him. Hallie.
Hi, I'm Haley and this is my voice sample.
All right, so remember that there's a speech maker in Designs.ai as well. All right, so let's see the magic is going to come up with.
AI tools are exceptional for the purpose of making work fast and efficient and reducing cost. Let's review an AI tool called Designs.ai for the purpose of creating, editing, and scaling content.
Now, I would want to know which of these AI tools inside of Designs.ai fascinates you the most. I would like you to leave a comment down below. And I also want to know, does Designs.ai look like an AI tool that you'd want to make your go-to AI tool for the purpose of all design purposes for your personal use or for your business? I also like to read the comments down below. If you're also interested in more videos on my channel, do make sure to hit this video to check out the last AI tool I reviewed. And down here is the playlist that also houses a lot of other videos I've done concerning AI and also smartphone productivity and profitability. And again, if you're yet to subscribe, do join our community of people who use their smartphones productively and profitably by hitting this button over here. With this, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.